today I'm gonna do like just some cardio, like incline walking, because I'm not gonna lie, I haven't done that in like, I don't know, it's been like a week, and I try to do it like maybe like once or twice a week, so that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of like, I've never filmed in the gym before, so it'll probably just be like a bit of footage, but I'm gonna try to record.
Burn your eyes to pass the time. Hazel tides that we run dry. Another night goes by. I can't describe what I found. But you could be the one to make me wanna come through. Feel like being brand new. Over you, over you. You could be the one to make me wanna come through. Feel like being brand new. Over you, over you.
Anyways, I just got back home from the gym. I changed and I brushed my teeth and stuff like that. This is my first very mini vlog. I'm just getting like a feel of it, but I've been wanting to vlog for a long time, so hope that I'll be able to make more of these and show them to all of you. So I'll catch you in my next video.